Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. It allows users to store files on their servers, synchronize files across devices, and share files. What does synchronization mean in this context? It means that everything is automatically saved for you, all the time, and constantly updated when someone else makes a change. In addition to a website, Google Drive offers apps with offline capabilities for Windows and macOS computers, and Android and iOS smartphones and tablets. Google Drive encompasses Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, which are part of an Office suite that permits collaborative editing of documents, spreadsheets, presentations, drawings, forms, and more. Files created and edited through the Office suite are saved in Google Drive. G Suite is a cloud-based communication and productivity tool that works with this Office suite, and we'll come back to that in the next section.